AKIRA Virtual Healthcare Service. Save time for the things that matter. With AKIRA, instantly connect with doctors and nurse practitioners. Ask questions, get treated, renew prescriptions, get referrals, keep well. Services include 24/7 365 online medical care via instant access to Canadian doctors by live video, audio chat and/or text. Full online consultations, including diagnoses, treatments, prescriptions and free delivery of medication. You can have prescriptions faxed to your pharmacy of choice. You also have access to mental health counseling and all members of your family can participate. Your health records will be digitally stored and this record can be shared with family doctors. To get started with AKIRA, go to akirahealth.ca/signup/group-health and select register. Start by entering your email address and then your province. From your One Card, enter your certificate and your policy number. Click on the Send Me My Activation link. Next, go to your email address and open the Welcome to AKIRA email that should have been sent to you. Click on the Activate My Account button. Once activated, create an account. Please make sure that when you are signing up, initially register under your own name as you may run into difficulty later if a dependent initiates the account first. You can add and invite dependents once you are signed up. Make sure to download the AKIRA app. How to use your account: log into your account and update your account profile. Add your address, contact information, and you can now add dependents. Once all your information is completed, you can begin a consultation. Select either Start Consult or Family Medicine to talk to a doctor or NP. Please note you will require your photo ID and your provincial healthcare number. Your online doctor or nurse practitioner will help guide you through the process. You may be asked for the following: to review and approve a 3-page consent form, permission to email prescriptions, lab requests, etc. You do not need to print the forms. Review and type yes if you consent. You may be asked to join in a video consult to verify your identity and/or to view the area and that is being assessed. If you need a prescription, you will be asked to provide the name/address of your preferred pharmacy. Please have this information readily available.